Streamlit versus Shiny. Which data app framework is better? Choosing the right data app framework can completely change how you build interactive data applications without complex coding. Streamlit and Shiny offer distinct approaches for developers and analysts. Streamlit and Shiny are popular frameworks for creating data-driven web apps. Streamlit focuses on simplicity and Python integration, while Shiny is built for R users with powerful reactive programming. The core difference lies in their programming language and ease of use. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework designed to simplify building data apps. It works by allowing developers to write Python scripts that automatically turn into interactive web applications. Streamlit's key strength is its minimal setup and intuitive API, enabling quick prototyping without front-end expertise. It supports live data updates and integrates well with popular Python libraries like Pandas and Plotly. However, Streamlit is limited to Python, so teams relying on R or other languages may find it restrictive. Its reactive model is straightforward but less granular compared to Shiny's, which can limit complex user interactions. Streamlit is ideal for Python developers, data scientists, and analysts who want to rapidly deploy apps with clean interfaces and minimal overhead. Shiny is a web application framework built specifically for R programming. It enables users to create highly interactive and reactive data apps using R's extensive statistical tools. Shiny's strength lies in its powerful reactive programming model, which tracks user inputs and dynamically updates outputs, supporting complex workflows and custom UI components. It integrates tightly with R's visualization packages like ggplot2 and Leaflet. On the downside, Shiny apps can require more setup and familiarity with both R and web concepts, making the learning curve steeper for beginners. Performance can also be a consideration for very large apps. Shiny is best suited for statisticians, R programmers, and researchers who need advanced analytics and fine control over app behavior. Streamlit and Shiny both enable interactive data apps, but serve different audiences and use cases. Streamlit shines in rapid Python-based app development with minimal coding and easy deployment, perfect for teams already using Python. Shiny offers deeper reactive control and advanced statistical integration through R, making it ideal for complex analytics and detailed user interactions. Streamlit's simplicity can limit highly customized UI elements, whereas Shiny's flexibility requires more development effort. In real-world scenarios, a data scientist wanting a quick dashboard might choose Streamlit, while a biostatistician needing detailed reactive models would prefer Shiny. The trade-off is between ease of use and programming depth, with Streamlit favoring speed and Shiny favoring complexity. Choose Streamlit if you prioritize fast, Python-based development with straightforward deployment and a clean, minimal coding experience. Opt for Shiny if your work revolves around R and requires advanced reactive programming and detailed analytics. Both frameworks excel in their domains, so selecting one depends on your programming background and project complexity. Pick the tool that aligns best with your workflow and goals.